Welcome to a journey like no other, where the mysteries of the mind unfold before your eyes. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of peak mental performance. You're about to embark on an unforgettable adventure in mind mastery, unlocking cognitive potential. Don't forget to watch till the end.
In the depths of the human mind lies a power untapped. Harnessing your brain power, cognitive science for peak performance explores how cognitive science principles can be leveraged to enhance mental performance in various aspects of life. This comprehensive examination delves into the intricacies of the human brain and presents practical strategies grounded in cognitive science to optimize brain function for peak performance. How far can our thoughts take us? Number 1. Understanding the brain, a cognitive science perspective. Cognitive science provides a window into the workings of the brain, integrating insights from psychology, neuroscience, and philosophy. By understanding how the brain processes information, we can develop methods to improve memory, attention, and decision-making abilities. This understanding forms the foundation for enhancing cognitive capabilities. Throughout history, great minds have unlocked secrets of the universe. Number 3. Cognitive load management. Cognitive load refers to the amount of mental effort being used in the working memory. Understanding and managing cognitive load is vital for peak performance. Strategies like chunking information and avoiding multitasking can help manage cognitive load, allowing for more efficient processing of information. Discover the science that redefines learning. Number 4. The role of emotions in cognitive processes. Emotions play a significant role in how we think and make decisions. Emotional intelligence, which involves recognizing and managing emotions, can enhance cognitive performance by improving decision-making and problem-solving skills. Control your emotions, control your destiny. Number 5. Mindfulness and cognitive control. Mindfulness practices can enhance cognitive control and reduce stress, leading to improved focus and clarity of thought. Techniques such as meditation and deep breathing exercises can enhance self-regulation and attentional control, crucial for peak mental performance. Inner peace leads to outer strength. Number 6. Nutrition and brain health. The brain requires a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can support brain health. Additionally, staying hydrated and maintaining balanced blood sugar levels are essential for cognitive performance. Step into a new realm of possibilities. Number 7. Sleep and cognitive function. Adequate sleep is crucial for cognitive processes such as memory consolidation, learning, and emotional regulation. Establishing regular sleep patterns and ensuring quality sleep can significantly enhance cognitive performance. Number 8. Physical exercise and brain function. Regular physical exercise not only benefits physical health but also has a positive impact on brain function. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new neurons, which can improve cognitive abilities. Discover the science that redefines learning. Number 9. Technological tools for cognitive enhancement. Advances in technology have introduced various tools and applications designed to train and enhance cognitive abilities. From brain training games to apps that assist with mindfulness and meditation, these tools offer practical ways to improve cognitive functions. Number 10. Building a cognitive enhancement routine. Incorporating the principles of cognitive science into daily routines can lead to sustained improvements in brain function. This involves creating a balanced routine that includes mental exercises, proper nutrition, physical activity, and adequate rest.
Thank you for exploring the depths of the human mind with us. If you're inspired to unlock your own cognitive potential, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your brain power.